Wonderful job on your presentation, and thank you for sharing it with our class. I wanted to begin this video by telling you some positive things that I saw in your presentation. Number one, you have great speaking skills publicly. You could go and present this to your staff. You don't have basically any filler words when you're speaking at all. You completely know what you're talking about. You know how to not say anything when there's nothing to be said and not adding in so or So very, very nice job. You also did a great job of using bullet points on your slide and adding in verbiage when needed. So explaining anything in depth that you wanted to without adding it onto your slides. And that's also a very strong suit of somebody that is a great public speaker. You don't need to put everything on the slide to remember to say it. So very nice job. My only thing that I saw in your presentation that started becoming more of an issue at the end, because you were very, very good at the beginning, is that you, towards the end, started reading directly off your slide. You added in a few short notes, but you were kind of reading all of those bullet points just off and not really explaining anything about them. But that's really not a big deal at all. And I think your staff would be able to pick up what you're saying without any further explanation, since we are all in the educational field. I personally very much enjoy these video feedbacks because I am able to better explain myself than I would on a post to you. So again, very nice job on your presentation, and thank you for sharing it with our class.